Hey, let's go again. Pop that over there, out of the way, and sweep this area, see what else we can find. Yeah, nice big bar. Moving on. Well, that was fun to get out. Yes. Oh well, at least it's not going to hurt the horses now. It's sticking out. Yeah. Yes, and I have decided to play with the old entrenching tool for a bit. It's just better. I prefer it. Easy to carry and stuff. It's not as heavy as the old Blackader. Saucers. Moving on. Yes, it's just a piece of foil. But it's another notch in the belt for the old learner here. Interesting. Moving on. Well, there's bar number 3. I didn't film bar number 2. Yes. You know, I thought I'll dig these to get used to what it is, and it was a bar. No more of them, I don't think. Moving on. Solid. But one thing it is a spectacle buckle. Get in! Wow, I really genuinely did not expect to find anything like that here. Oh, I'm well chuffed. I'm happy with that. Hooray! Woohoo! Nice one, the beast. The beast pulls its first artefact up. Right, I'll stop rambling on, see if we can find another one. Lovely. Moving on. Hey. Next signal is just this little bit of